The BISSELL PowerClean FurGuard Cordless Stick Vacuum 4039 is a versatile and pet-friendly cleaning tool designed to make everyday floor care easier. It comes equipped with a powerful 280W motor and a FurGuard self-cleaning brush roll that helps reduce hair wrap, a common issue in homes with shedding pets. The addition of LED FurFinder headlights makes spotting hidden fur and debris under furniture or in darker corners much easier, while its sealed HEPA filtration system captures up to 99.7% of dust, allergens and dander, making it a solid choice for allergy-prone households. Weighing just over 7 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, plus it converts into a handheld vacuum for tackling upholstery, stairs, cars and hard-to-reach areas. The 50-minute runtime on a full charge is impressive for a cordless stick vacuum, giving you enough time to clean multiple rooms before recharging, though using higher power settings reduces this runtime. Despite its strengths, the BISSELL FurGuard 4039 has a few limitations. Its 0.3-liter dirt bin is on the smaller side, so it fills quickly in homes with multiple pets or heavy shedding. And while the brush roll handles most surfaces well, thicker carpets may still require extra passes for deep cleaning. The vacuum suction power is strong, but using max mode drains the battery quickly, which can be a drawback for larger homes. Additionally, while maneuverability is decent, it doesn't glide around tight furniture legs as smoothly as some premium competitors. Still, for pet owners or families seeking a reliable, lightweight and easy-to-maintain cordless vacuum, the BISSELL PowerClean FurGuard 4039 strikes a great balance between power, convenience and affordability, making it a worthwhile option in 2025.